Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the Thomas Clan. Today is a very special episode because today Sharla and Landon are going to be planning out their gardens. That's right, they are getting their own garden. They've picked out all of the same veggies, their own veggies that they're going to be growing this year. And now we're going to be planning out exactly how it looks. So, being that they're only going to have small gardens, each one of the kids are going to have their own 4-foot by 4-foot garden. So today they're planning out their own. So instead of using the big computer program like what I use, they're going to do it on paper, and we're going to do it learning together about how much space the veggies are going to take up and how much they can fit in their gardens. So come along with us and we'll take a close look at how they're doing. So guys, what veggies do we have for number 1 on our list?
Celery.
Celery. Both of you have celery. So is that a big plant, a little plant, or a medium-sized plant?
Medium.
Medium. Okay, so we're going to kind of put that in the middle somewhere, right? Come over to this side. All right, so you guys, there are 8 boxes in the middle, right? In your squares. So pick which box you want to put your celery in.
I'm circling mine.
Well, you're going to, maybe want to write it in, because if you just make circles, you're not going to know which circle is for what, right? Okay, so that's your celery. That's a C for celery. Okay, how about you, Landon?
C.
Okay, you got a C for celery, too? Okay. All right, so what's second on your list, guys?
Me. Green beans. Green beans.
You have green beans, too, Landon? All right. So is green beans big, little, or medium?
Little. Little.
How about medium? We're going to want to put that somewhere in the middle, right? Okay.
Oh, right here.
Okay, so what is third on your list?
Me. Sunflowers. Mine.
What do you got there? That's number 3. You have carrots.
Carrots.
Very good. Okay, so Charlotte, we're going to have you go first. Ladies first. Is sunflowers big, medium, or small?
Big.
Big. So do you think it should be in the front, the middle, or the back?
Front.
You think it should be in the front? What happens if it's in the front?
Back.
Back. Oh, okay, so you want to put it in the back? Okay, so pick a square in the back. All right, everybody, so we're ready. So let's start with, this would be a lot better if I had some sort of sand. Nathaniel, Apparently Nathaniel's getting in on today. Hey! Get out of there!
Me. Time out. Hello, everybody. We're starting with me today.
All right. So first things first. Let's get you. You're gonna need 4 red cabbage seeds. Whoa, that's a lot more than 4.
Oh.
Okay, that's okay. Landon's gonna need a couple too. So pick up 2 seeds to put into here and 2 seeds to put in there. So 2 seeds in that first one. Okay. And that second one, you don't want to put them right together. So you got one right there, put another one right there in that corner. Okay, now we need 2 more seeds to go in here.
You're taking all of the dirt out.
Now don't worry about him. We'll fix that later. You got it? Same place. Where did you drop it? Did you drop it in the right one?
Right there, I think.
Yeah, okay, I see it. Let's make sure it's in there. So that's 1 seed. No, it's going in this one. And then take the other seed, put it in the same, right here. Yeah. Okay, now with tomato seeds, Landon, you paying attention, Mr. Bunny Ear? With these ones, you want to kind of like push them down just a little bit and just cover them lightly. Okay? And they both go in this square right there.
We're gonna get dirty.
That's okay. Very good. Yeah, and make sure. Yep. Perfect. And just cover them lightly. Right. Okay, so Sharla's is done. So we're going to put this. So that way when I look at it from the front, okay,
And that one's Landon.
Say Sharla on it. And so I know that these are your 4 spaces. Now these ones, these are going to be Landon's. And then I'll put Landon's name right there. Okay, so on top, Mr. Landon has the Brandywine Pink first. You want to pick up those seeds too. Yeah, they go in this one. Yep, there they go. And then you're going to want to just push them down lightly too. Yeah, hold on. A little bit. Because you want to be able to cover them like that. That's fine. All right, so now take those 2, put them there. Yep. Okay, 2 seeds in there. 2 seeds in there. Go ahead. Yep. Yep, very good. Okay, very good. And the 2 seeds in there. I'll pick up the extra seeds after. Don't worry about it. In there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I'm just going to put your tag right there. Yep. Now you got a couple more seeds right there. You want to put in that one right there. So that's all for today's video. Sharla and Landon got their seeds planted and their garden planned out. Coming soon. Coming soon, we're going to have videos for Scarlett, Nicholas. Hey, behave over there. Coming soon, we'll have videos for Scarlett and Nicholas and Audrey's gardens as well. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our videos. Hit the bell for notifications. Share with a friend. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment below if there's anything we could have done better. If there's anything that we left out. Or if you have any suggestions of things you'd like to see from us in the future, especially from these 2 right here. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and keep in touch with us as well. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.